Welcome, welcome everyone. I'm Chef Anne Burrell, and this is my home in Carroll Gardens, Brooklyn. The first time I walked into this place, I was like, wow. She had great bones and she just needed a little bit of love. After you come down that beautiful hallway, you wind up in what I like to call my urban farmhouse. This is my main living area, and this is my land of happy and joy. But it's a place where it's okay to just flop down. It's a great meeting place. I mean, even Marsha loves it. I have two huge Maine Coon cats, and this window hammock is used quite regularly by both of them. And then we have, the big light fixture. I convinced my husband, Stuart, that we should get this because when he saw it, he said, ooh, that kind of looks like the thing that Superman came to Earth in. And I was like, whatever you need to tell yourself. I mean, what I was really going for here was lots of color, lots of comfort, and I just wanted it to feel sort of effortless. This is my corner. I sit here, I knit. Stuart has his library back there, and I love a little mid-century lighting fixture. And then over here is my library. This is my dining room or my dining area, and I have to say, being a chef is not just about the food you cook, it's about the hospitality you provide, and I like to provide a colorful one. And I always like to have unexpected little tchotchkes scattered around the table as well. Little surprises, kind of maybe little conversation pieces. Marsha, you're not for dinner. My outdoor living room gives me life. I actually spring out of bed in the morning to come have my morning coffee out here, just to have a little sit down, and it's dreamy and peaceful. And anyone in New York City knows how valuable outdoor space is. So one of the lovely little summer snacks I like to make is a tomato bruschetta. I mean, I am growing my own tomatoes, so it's a regular on my menu for out here. Let's go make it. It's an easy thing to whip up at any time of day, or if someone drops by and says, hey, I'm coming by for a little cocktail. Great, no problem. I have a tomato here. We're just gonna cut this in little dices. The appliances that I chose, I wanted stainless steel. That's like kind of where the urban farmhouse comes in. The number one thing I said when I wanted my kitchen, I wanted a pasta pot filler. I mean, that guy's just sexy. I just wanted it to have every sort of bell and whistle that you can have in a restaurant kitchen, but feeling home and comfortable. And then the last thing that we're gonna add in here is a little bit of cilantro. You've got to always bring that color. My world is colorful. Whether I'm cooking, whether I'm designing something, it's like, could you imagine what goes on inside my brain? I said to the architect, I know exactly the green that I want. The outside of Monica and Rachel's apartment door on Friends. I mean, the kitchen is kind of the center of every home, but in my home, it's really the heartbeat. And then we top it with our beautiful little tomato mixture. And then one left over for the cook in the kitchen. This is what we call quality control. That's quality. Thanks for taking a tour of my happy little urban farmhouse filled with lots of color and joy. I enjoyed having you. I'm gonna head outside now to my outside living room for a little cocktail, a little nibble, and a little sun. Thanks for coming.
There's even more stunning homes and designs just waiting for you. Come on in, the water's fine. Like and subscribe, because a lot of these homes have spectacular pools.